Welcome to today's episode of Math from My Phone, where we talk about pictures from my phone and how you can talk to your kids about math in everyday situations. Today we are talking about one image only, and we're going to talk about some questions you can ask your kids when you're looking at images or just objects in real life. This is a photo of crayons that melted on the moving truck on my recent move. Zoe, what does this have to do with math? Well, I want you to think about it. What does this have to do with math? The first question I would ask my kid if they were looking at this picture or looking at this box of crayons is, what do you notice? There's all kinds of things they could tell you. I notice that some of these are melted. I notice that some of these are not melted. Then you're going to ask, what do you wonder? I wonder how many ended up not melted that we could still use, or I wonder why these melted. It doesn't have to be a wondering or an observation that has to directly do with math, but you could guide the conversation in that direction. For younger kids, we could say, how many of these are melted? How many do we need to get rid of or use for something else? How many of these ended up fine? For older kids, what multiplication could we use to figure out how many crayons are in this box? We're assuming that they can't see the number of crayons on the outside of the box. You can take small moments to talk about math with your kids. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. Follow along for more math tips.